Hi friends, let us see what is a matrix. Unique matrices. Matrices definition of a matrix. A rectangular arrangement of of m into n numbers in m rows and n columns called a matrix of order m by n denoted by that is a matrix of order m by n. A m by n matrix consists of m into n numbers, and a matrix is nothing but it is an rectangular arrangement of these m into n rows in m rows, and where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns, and this is nothing but the matrix. Matrices are generally denoted by matrices are generally denoted by square bracket or in this form. And generally matrices are denoted by capital letters, and the elements in the matrix are denoted by small letters. Matrices generally denoted matrices are generally denoted by generally denoted by and elements of the matrix are denoted by and the elements of the matrix of a matrix are denoted by small letters, that is A, B. Okay, that is, for example, matrix is nothing but it is of the type, let A be any matrix which contains 2 rows and 2 columns, that is it is of 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the in which a matrix A contains 2 rows, number of rows, these are the number of rows and these are the number of columns. So this matrix A contains 2 rows and 2 columns, therefore it is denoted by 2 by 2, that is 2 cross 2, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 are called the elements of that matrix. Now there are some different types of matrices. First one is a row matrix. Types of matrices. Matrices. First one is a row matrix. Matrix in which there is only one row, only one row is called a row matrix. So we already know that what is a matrix, and now we have to see what is a row matrix. A matrix in which there is only one row is called a matrix in which there is only one row and any number of columns is nothing but a row matrix. That is, if A be a square matrix, A be a matrix of order m by n, then the matrix of order m by n is said to be a row matrix if m will be equal to 1. That is the number of rows in the matrix will be equal to 1. For example, A equal to 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Here there is only one row and three columns. Therefore, it is of order 1 cross 3. Second example, simply 2. It is a 1 cross 1. Third one is 2, 3. C equal to 1, 1 minus 2, 3, 4. It is of order 1 time. So, row matrix is nothing but a matrix in which there is only one row, but any number of columns is nothing but a row matrix. Now, second one is column matrix. Column matrix in which there is only one column and column is called column matrix. So a matrix of order m by n is said to be a column matrix if n is equal to 1. So column matrix contains exactly one column and any number of rows. For example, if A is a matrix which contains 2, 3, 4, it is of order 3 cross 1. So these are the column matrices. Since each of these three matrices contains exactly one column. For example, fourth one is suppose now check whether this matrix is a column matrix or not. This matrix contains 3 rows and 2 columns. As number of columns will be greater than 1, so the matrix is not a column matrix. Since column matrix is nothing but there is only one column contained in that matrix, then the matrix is said to be a column matrix. Now, next type of matrix is zero matrix. Matrix, or it is also called as a null matrix. The matrix in which every element zero is called zero or null matrix. What should be the order of that matrix? But each entry of the matrix will be equal to 0, then the matrix is said to be a zero matrix or a null matrix. For example, if A be a matrix which is of order 2 by 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this one is a 2 by 3 matrix since it contains 2 rows and 3 columns, and each entry of the matrix will be equal to 0. Then this matrix is a 0 matrix. This one is the 1 by 1 matrix, which is also a 0 matrix. Third one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the input of the matrix, and each entry of the matrix will be equal to 0. Okay, this one is the null matrix. Now, this one is the matrix of order 3 by 4, and here there is only one entry which is a non-zero. So, by the definition of zero matrix, it is not a zero matrix. Now, the next type is square matrix. If the number of rows and number of columns and number of matrix are equal, then it is said to be a square matrix. That is, a square matrix contains same number of rows and columns. So, a matrix of order n by n is denoted by, is generally called as a matrix of order n. So, for example, matrix, this one is a 2 by 2. Second one, 7, 3 by 3 matrix. In matrices A and B, the number of rows will be equal to number of columns. Since in example 1 and 2 both are the square matrices, but in example third, number of rows will be equal to 2 and number of columns will be equal to 3. That is, it is a 2 by 3 matrix. So this one is the not a square matrix. If A equal to Aij, B matrix A will be equal to Aij of order n cross n is a square matrix of order n, square matrix of order n, then in which first one is the elements A11, A22, A33 and so on, ARR, so on, last one is the AN, N, are called the diagonal elements of the matrix, are called diagonal elements of the matrix. To find out the diagonal elements of the matrix must be a square matrix. If matrix is a square matrix, then it is only possible to find out the diagonal element of that matrix. Otherwise, it is not possible. Now, in second one is this one. Elements Aij where I is not equal to j are called the non-diagonal elements. non-diagonal elements of the matrix. Similarly, the third one is elements AIJ where I is less than J are called the elements above the diagonal. Above diagonal line. And fourth one, elements AIJ where I is greater than J are called the elements below the diagonal line. Okay. Let us take one example and see all these four statements. Example. Let A equal to Aij be a matrix of order 3 where I is running from. I is nothing but the number of A equal to Aij means this I denotes the number of rows. That is, it varies from it varies between the rows and J is varies between the columns. So possible value of I is 1 2 3 as 3. It is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So I is vary from 1 to 3 and J is also vary from 1 to 3. So if A equal to Aij be a matrix of order 3 cross 3, then it can be written as A is nothing but now first one. First vary fix A1 here A1 and vary J. Possibility of J are 1 2 3. A11, A12 and A13. Now in second row it is A2. Again we have to vary column, that is J. A21, A22, A23. In third A3, again A31, A32 and A32, and which is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now according to our previous four statements, the elements Aij where I equal to J are called the diagonal elements, that is A11, A22, A33. Therefore this one is the diagonal line of the matrix. So first diagonal elements of the matrix are A11, A22 and A33. Now let's take a step. The elements Aij where I are not equal to J are called the non-diagonal elements. So all the elements except this diagonal line are the non-diagonal elements. So the non-diagonal elements are non-diagonal elements are A12, A13, A21, A23, A31 and A32. These are the non-diagonal elements. Now, according to third statement, the elements Aij where I is less than J is called the elements above the main diagonal line. These are the elements above the main diagonal. Here I is less than J. I is 1, J is 2. I is 1, J is 3. I is 2, J is 3. So here I is less than J, and these are the elements which are lies above the diagonal line. So the elements above the diagonal line are the elements above the diagonal line are A12, A13 and A23. Similarly, the elements below the diagonal line are below the diagonal line are these are the elements which are lies below the diagonal line, and here I is greater than j. I is 2, j is 1, I is 3, j is 1, I is 3, j is 2. So here I will be greater than j. So the elements are a21, a31 and a32. Okay. Now diagonal matrix. Diagonal a square matrix. Square matrix in which all the non-diagonal diagonal elements are zero for diagonal matrix. So what is a diagonal matrix? It is a square matrix. Square matrix means it has the same number of rows and same number of columns. Is said to be a diagonal matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are zero. That is, all the elements above the diagonal line and below the diagonal line are zero. Then the corresponding matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix. What should be whatever be the nature of our diagonal elements, but non-diagonal elements must be zero, and diagonal elements may be they zero or maybe not equal to zero. For example, first first we have to check first condition on diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix, that is number of rows and number of columns must be same. Then we have to take, suppose this one 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. So, according to definition of diagonal matrix, any square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all the non-diagonal elements are zero. These are the diagonal elements 3, and there is no restriction on the diagonal line. And here, all the non-diagonal elements which are below and above the diagonal line are zero. So, it is a diagonal matrix of order 3 cross 3. Second one, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is again a matrix of order P. So now we have to check whether it is a diagonal matrix or not. Here first condition is it is a square matrix. As number of rows and number of columns will be equal to 3, therefore it is a square matrix. Now here second condition, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Here all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Now we have to, and in diagonal matrix there is no restriction on the diagonal elements of the matrix. In this case, the elements on the diagonal line are not equal to 0, and here which are equal to 0. So this one is again a diagonal matrix. Both the matrices are diagonal matrices. But if this one is the matrix of order 3, 1 0 0 2 0 0 3 0 0. This one is not a diagonal matrix. This one is the diagonal, this one is the diagonal, but this one is not diagonal. Since here we get two elements with two non-diagonal elements which are not equal to 0. So according to definition of diagonal matrix, this one is not a diagonal matrix. Now sixth one is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal entries diagonal entries diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? First of all, it is a diagonal matrix. And what is diagonal matrix? It is square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are zero. Such a matrix, diagonal matrix, is said to be a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements will be equal to same. That is, it is a matrix which contains 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3, and B is a matrix 2 0 0 0 2 0, and C is a matrix which contains 1 2 0. Now we have to find out which one is the scalar matrix. Here, now first take whether this matrix is a diagonal matrix. This one is a 3 cross 3 matrix, which means it is a square matrix. And a square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if it's all its non-diagonal elements are zero. Here, the elements above and below the diagonal line are zero. So according to definition of diagonal matrix, this matrix is a diagonal matrix. Now we have to check whether this is a scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are equal. But here, the elements A11, A22 and A33 are not equal. So this one is not a diagonal matrix. Again, this one is the diagonal matrix and all the elements on the diagonal line are same, 2, 2, 2. So this one is the scalar matrix. Now we have to check whether this C is a scalar matrix. First of all, check whether it is a diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix since its order is 2 by 2. So it is a square matrix. Now we have to check whether all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Here there is one element A12 which is not a 0 and it is a non-diagonal element. So this one is not a diagonal matrix itself. It is not a diagonal. So here it is not necessary to check the scalar matrix. Since for scalar matrix we require first it is a diagonal matrix. Now next one is the unit matrix. Seven, unit matrix. A scalar matrix said to be a unit matrix. Unit matrix. All diagonal elements are diagonal elements are 1. A unit matrix of order n is denoted by a unit matrix of order n is denoted by In. So what is a unit matrix? A scalar matrix is said to be a unit matrix if all the diagonal elements are 1. What is a scalar matrix? A matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if all its diagonal elements are same. Is the only restriction on the diagonal matrix. But in scalar matrix, we have to take all the diagonal elements will be equal to 1. Then it becomes a unit matrix. For example, A will be equal to 1 0 0 1. It is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, and as it is a unit matrix of order 2, it will be denoted by I2. Similarly, I3 is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0. Okay. Thank you for watching the lecture.